Hey guys, today let's check out as how to install a stove. Interested? Let's get going. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? आप कैसे हो? नल्ला इरुक्कींगा? As you see here, this is 4-burner gas stove. If you're interested, you can check the product in the description box because you have got offers on this gas stove. You can get it at 70% off and you have a coupon and rewards as well. You can get diamonds also after placing every order on Amazon. Okay, now let's see as how to install a stove. First you need to have a stove, of course, a gas cylinder, a gas lighter, gas regulator and a gas pipe. Lastly, you need to have coconut oil. As you see in the picture, you can buy this rubber gas pipe. The life is spanning to 2 to 3 years, but if you want more years, rat resistant or heat resistant, you can go for braided gas pipe, which I'll share the link in the description box. If you want, you can check out. Okay, let's get back to installation. As shown in the video, you got to remove the nozzle of the gas pipe. Once you are done removing it, you go to the gas stove, find the inlet nozzle and apply oil as shown in the video. You can apply oil to the gas pipe as well. Once you are done, you take the gas pipe and push on to the inlet nozzle of the stove firmly. Make sure it is tight to prevent gas leakage. Afterwards, once you are done, you remove the cap of the gas regulator as shown in the video, and you have here one more nozzle to the gas pipe. You remove it. Now apply oil to the regulator opening or the outlet. Now take the other end of the gas pipe as shown in the video and push on to the regulator outlet. Once it is done, make sure you remove the cap of the gas regulator. Now go to LPG gas cylinder. Remove the wrapper around the valve as shown in the video. You got to remove the cap as well. You have a thread here attached to the cylinder. Make sure you pull the thread towards you to open the cap. That's done. Now you get the gas regulator and make sure the knob is in a horizontal position or an off position. Now you take the gas regulator. You have this black color lever lock. Make sure you pull up while the regulator goes onto the valve as shown in the picture to fit it thoroughly. And once it sits on the gas valve, make sure the lever lock is pulled down to secure it firmly. That's done. Now you can turn on the knob. Okay, let me tell you something important here. Before you turn on the gas regulator knobs, make sure your gas stove knobs are turned off. And here you can light the stove with the lighter. And this is a toughened glass stove, 4-burner stove. It's good quality. You can check the link in the description box. And now you can check the flame of all the 4 burners as shown in the video. If the flame is blue in color, it's safe to use. Otherwise, it's not safe if it is in orange or some other color, which means it has gas leakage or gas problems. Okay, even if the gas melts, it indicates gas leakage issue. To find it out, you got to apply soap water onto the joints of the inlet of the stove and also to the joints of the gas regulator as shown in the video. This is a toughened glass stove. It's easy to clean and maintain. It's multitasking as you can cook multiple dishes within no time and you can enjoy tasty food, save your energy and time, right? Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.